Self-love begins when you can be there for yourself, not only when you succeed, but also when you don't. That said, take a slow, deep breath and recall a moment or situation you wish had gone slightly differently. As you slowly exhale, relax and release any negative self-talk you might have about the way things did go. Now, with the next slow inhale, I invite you to acknowledge what you are feeling and say something loving and non-judgmental to yourself. For example, I feel disappointed that I didn't do it right, but I love and respect myself for doing the best that I could. As you exhale slowly, take in the wisdom and kindness in your compassionate self-talk.